From the moment we arrived at NH Alicante, everything felt smooth and welcoming. We parked just outside the hotel and checked in quickly, and were pleasantly surprised with an upgrade to the junior suite. On the way up, we took the glass elevator, which offers a nice panoramic view of the outside, a small detail but a really nice touch. It was a little bit scary at first if you're not used to it. Scary! I don't want to see. 614. Yeah. Wow, nice room. Wow. They gave us junior suite. The suite itself was spacious, modern, and full of natural light. Everything was spotless and thoughtfully arranged, making it really comfortable stay. It's quite big. Oh, this is the other bathroom. Coffee is very happy. There is a coffee. Let's see what's the view. This is our view. Oh, there's me. Also, the other one doesn't have a bath. This one doesn't have a bath, but the other one have. In the evening, we had a dinner at the hotel bar. The atmosphere was relaxed, the staff were attentive, and the food was simple but really well done. Just what we needed after a long day. We had an early flight back to the Netherlands, so we missed the full breakfast. But downstairs, the hotel had coffee, juices, and fresh fruit ready to grab on the way out, which we really appreciated. But if it's glass, you were like,